Travelers, listen up. Your iPhone has a secret button that can literally save you time, battery, and even your location. If you travel a lot, your iPhone's action button can save you a ton of time on the road. So let's break down the best action button uses for travelers that you're gonna want to try right away. This functionality is going to make your trip smarter, faster, and way easier. First up, set the action button to open Translate. When you're overseas and you have to talk to someone quickly, this comes in clutch. Tap the button, and boom, the live translation screen pops up right here. There's no need to search for the app. Under the Settings app, scroll to the action button and set the Translate. You can translate phrases or have a conversation with someone in another language. Next, use the action button to save your current location. This is great when you're exploring a new city and probably going to forget where your hotel is. One press, and your iPhone drops a pin so you can come back later with no stress. Wow, super helpful. Here are the steps. Open the Shortcuts app on iPhone. Under the Library tab, move to All Shortcuts, and add a new shortcut by tapping on the plus button at the top right corner. Search for location and set current location. Again, search for Open in Maps, and tap on it. Now, save the shortcut, tap on the down arrow from the top center, and rename it to Save My Location or Hotel Pin. That's it. Now, set this location shortcut to the action button. Under the Settings app, select the action button, swipe to Shortcut, search for the recently created shortcut, and set it. Now, holding down the action button opens your current location on the map. Tap on More and pin the location if you wish to easily remember this place. That's another smart one. Map shortcuts. Start walking directions to your hotel, airport, or any saved place. So when you land and you're tired, you don't have to look for anything. Just press the button and you're already on the way ahead. Now, let's talk safety, because that matters when you're traveling alone or late at night. Set the dial call to favorite contacts with a long press. It's a must-have safety backup for any traveler. Make a shortcut for quick dial. Open the Shortcuts app, add a new shortcut under the Library, and tap on the plus button at the top right corner. Search for a call and select a contact from the list. Search for the contact by name and then add it. Tap the down arrow in the top center. Save to your iPhone. Now, go back to the action button settings under the Settings app. Swipe left, search for the shortcut, and select the Quick Dial shortcut under the My Shortcuts section. That's it. Now long press the action button to call from the iPhone without unlocking the device. Now here's something travelers forget. Use the action button to turn on the flashlight instantly. When you're walking through a dark street, looking for something in your bag, or trying to read signs, it's super handy. Cheap but effective trick. Another great one. Set the action button to launch the camera in video mode. Travelers gotta capture everything, and this helps you record moments faster than even opening the camera app. Press, hold, shoot. No delay, no fumbling. If you use public transit, you can set the action button to open your Apple Wallet. Your tickets, passes, and boarding cards appear right here instantly. Makes airport lines feel a bit less painful. Scroll to Controls in Action Button setting. Search for Wallet, and set the action button. That's it. Action button help and open it quickly. Here's one more bright idea. Use the action button to activate a smart home scene while you're away. Like turning off lights, locking your door, or activating away mode. You can set the action up with a shortcut and make it all happen with one tap. Under the control settings, search for the home shortcut and select it. Start using it for the action button under the settings. Select the Control Home shortcut. Start using it as quickly as possible. Lastly, set low power mode as a quick toggle. When you're traveling, battery is everything. One press and your phone starts saving power instantly, so you can keep using maps and the camera without worrying. Here's the low power mode shortcut I created in my Shortcuts app. But I recommend keeping low power mode in the Control Center shortcut. Use a more important shortcut to the action button. Anyways, these are the best action button shortcuts that travelers use all the time. You can customize them inside settings and make your trip way smoother. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide videos.